What's going on, ortho friends? It's Ty the Marketing Guy here, bringing you back another piece of valuable content. Today's topic is whether you should boost your posts or not. Let's jump into it. I've been seeing a lot of practices boosting posts, and there's a very big red flag on why you should not boost posts, so I kind of want to dive into the specifics of that. Number one, Facebook, basically you'll get a notification that says, hey, this post is doing 80% better than all the other posts. It's been getting lots of good engagement, so go ahead and boost this post to reach more people to get more engagement. So what this means basically is Facebook is trying to get your money, okay? They're trying to find ways to get your money without realizing what you're even doing. So basically what this means is boosting your post, it actually gets you more engagement on people who are likely to comment, like, or share your post. You don't have a whole lot of features when boosting your post. For example, on the back end of things, we like to target, let's say, millennial moms that are age 37 that like Starbucks and have teenagers. It's super specific, but boosting posts is very limited on who you reach your audience. And so basically you're getting engagement with boosting posts, which is not a very good objective. What you should be going for is, if you're a beginner, you should be trying to get as much traffic to your website as possible to hopefully then click on getting a booking and really filling up your schedules, getting more eyeballs on your brand, getting more eyeballs on your website. That way, if, for example, you want to add your Facebook pixel to your website, you can retarget everyone, all of those visitors, and upsell them on a service or a discount or a promotion that you got going on with your practice. So yeah, stay away from boosting posts. The best option that you should probably be doing starting out is driving a lot of traffic to your website. I would talk with your website developer and add something called the Facebook pixel to your website. What does this do, Ty? A Facebook pixel is a short piece of code that you can attach to your website, and Facebook can actually track whoever comes to your website, which is pretty cool. And you can actually retarget your visitors with an ad. This ad can go straight to your booking page, which is really cool. Really, you just want to be focusing on setting up a website campaign. And I actually have a video, if you check out our channel, you can click on one of our videos that goes really into depth on really how to do it beginner 101. Okay, so go ahead and check that out on our channel. And if you guys do have any other questions, go ahead and comment down below, or you can even message us on social media. I do have the links in the description as well. So I hope this helps a little bit on just providing you some value to really open up your eyes and see what Facebook's idea is to try to get you to do, and why you should be really kind of setting things up more advanced on the back end of things. Anyways, guys, I hope this helps. Take care and have a blessed day.